How to remove phone number from Telegram. If you want to remove your phone number from Telegram or hide it from others, you can adjust your privacy settings. So here is how you can do it. Now open your Telegram application. Then here you can find settings option here. Tap on it. Then here you can find privacy and security, select it. Then here you can find phone number, select it. Now from here you can simply control on who can see your phone number. So simply tap on to nobody, which hides your phone number from everyone. Now tap on it. And by selecting nobody to hide your phone number from others, you can simply just remove your phone number from others to see. So there is no any simply direct option to remove your phone number from the Telegram application, so you can do this trick. And even if you hide your phone number, Telegram uses your phone number for registration and for some verification purpose. It cannot be entirely removed, but it can be hidden from the view. And that's it. This is how you can remove phone number from Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.